issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, central Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elmer to Seabrook Farms to near Newport Meadows, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Violent, Millville, Bridgeton, Cumberland, Glassboro, Clayton, Lena, Laurel Lake, Woodstown, Callaway, Weymouth, Estill Manor, Newfield, Elmer, Greenwich, Shiloh, Corbin City, Newport, Franklinville, and Leesburg. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 11 and 19. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for Atlantic, Ocean, Camden, southeastern Mercer, Gloucester, Burlington, Monmouth, Middlesex, and southern Philadelphia counties. Use caution if you must drive. Boats could suffer significant possible damage in high winds and hail. Small crafts could capsize in suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Seagulls Reef, Ship Bottom, Atlantic Islands, Garden State House Reef, Asheville Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Marmalette, Marmaget Light, North Beach Haven, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Ocean Gate, Leonardo, Marmaget Light Reef, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Ford River, Fair Haven, and East Haven. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern and central New Jersey. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 7:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Metullin to near Wrightstown to Pittman, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicating locations. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Without shelter.
Locations impacted include Tom's River, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Seton Falls, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, Farmingdale, Manawatu, Leisure Village, Allenwood, Dover Beaches North, Cedar Glen West, Jackson Hills, Leisure Village East, Philadelphia, Vista Center, Williamstown, and Brick Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 20 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 86 and 102. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean. County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Old Halfway, or 18 miles southwest of Toms River, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Toms River, Barnegat, Beechwood, Seaside Heights, Denver Lake, Brookville, Chatsworth, Old Halfway, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City South, South Toms River, Island Heights, Guilford Park, Holiday Heights, Waretown, and Ocean Acres. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 67 and 81. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. The affected areas were Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. The thunderstorm has moved out of the area and no longer poses a significant threat to boaters. Hazard: 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Sussex County in southern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, North Central Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Woodland Beach to near Hazlettville to near Star, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Harrington, Camden, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Bowers, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Jumptown, Hazlettville, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Rising Sunshine, and Big Stone Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and southern Delaware, eastern and northeastern Maryland, and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer and southern Philadelphia counties is canceled.
New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Barn Island to 6 nautical miles southeast of Jamaica Bay to Sandy Hook Reef, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Jones Beach, Kingsburg, Raritan Bay, Island Park, Barn Island, entrance to New York Harbor, Rockaway Inlet, Little Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, Lower New York Harbor, and Jones Inlet. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Lower Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven to 14 nautical miles northwest of Billy Key to near East Point, moving east at 50 knots. This line of storm has a history of producing winds in excess of 50 knots, large hail, and brief tornadoes. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and large hail. Source, Marine Weather Spotter. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2FB, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Buoy 4FB, Buoy 3FB, Great Egg Inlet, Deepwater Reef, Cape May Point, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Wildwood, Beach Haven, The Rock, 28-Mile Wreck, Little Egg Inlet, Buoy G, Cape May Reef, and Brigantine. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes.
thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County and central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, south central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wye Mills to Hamilton to near Taylor's Island, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. These storms will impact recovery effort across Sussex County. Locations impacted include Easton, Georgetown, Milford, Seaford, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Lewis, Federalsburg, Milton, Selbyville, Bridgettville, Delmer, Trapp, Dagsboro, Preston, Millville, Ellendale, and Henlopen Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and southern Delaware and eastern and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. Thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Barnegat to Mays Landing to near Fort Task, moving east at 60 miles per hour. The storm recently produced a 58 miles per hour wind gust at Millville. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cape May, Cumberland, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Margate City, Egg Harbor City, North Wildwood, Laurel Lake, Tuckerton, Wildwood Crest, Woodbine, and Sea Isle City. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 74, Atlantic City Expressway between mile marker 0 and 19. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gloucester County is canceled.
New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southeast of entrance to New York Harbor to 8 nautical miles east of Shark River Reef to 20 nautical miles east of Sea Girt Reef, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over the open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Montauk, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southeast of Fire Island Inlet, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.